Hello, everybody, and welcome to week one in EDC 102, Foundations of Education. Again, I'm your instructor, Diana, and I hope you're doing well. We are coming to week one right off the bat this semester, of course, because it's week one. I'm sure that you've already completed the Start Here module over here on the left, as well as reviewed the syllabus. Hopefully you had time to watch the syllabus video to get better acquainted with the expectations and requirements of this class. And hopefully in the Start Here module, you were able to go through all of the valuable information available there, including posting an introductory video or piece of information through a paragraph or something about yourself so that we can get to know who's in this class. So in week one, we're learning about why people become teachers and what it means to be a teacher, teacher certification requirements, and other kind of foundational pieces of teaching like that. We're covering chapters 1, 7, and 12 this week. And so within that, and before you on this computer screen, you see the learning objectives for each of those chapters. If you are able to read through the objectives and kind of internalize what you're going to be learning and what I'm going to ask that you get out of it, you're going to be in a really good position, particularly when you take the quizzes. Hint, hint. Make sure you are looking at the learning objectives each week to set yourself up with a framework for what's going to be expected of you content-wise. So let's go in to the week one to-do list. And hold on for just a second. There I am. And we're just going to go down the to-do list. And where did my cursor go? There it is. Excellent. Back in business. So we're just going to go down the to-do list, and I just want to highlight a couple of things for you. Hopefully by now you do have your textbook. As I mentioned, I believe in the syllabus video, you can either buy the textbook or you can rent it online. I believe it's available. And hopefully you've been able to find the second edition because the first edition is considerably different. You will do the read the chapters, do the PowerPoints, and take the quizzes. Those are all due by Sunday night. Okay, and also your written assignment is due by Sunday night as well. That's the very last thing that we'll address this week. So as you scroll down, and I've mentioned this before, as long as you're moving from top to bottom in this lesson, you're going to be fine and you're going to hit all of the things that you need to hit. So to start off with chapter 1, we have a couple of videos that you're supposed to watch. One about the Rube Goldberg and then the other about Mr. Wright. And you'll see here under each video there is a video forum topic. So you click on this link and then you respond to a few questions regarding watching the video. They're reflection based. Remember, what I'm really trying to get you to get at in this course is the meat at what you think about teaching and why you think it. And so their questions are geared to help you reflect on the content of the video and give it your own personal opinion. Okay, so we've got some topics for you to focus on here in chapter 1, as well as a PowerPoint for you to watch. For you to follow along with. We have some articles on teacher salaries, another video, and then the quiz at the very bottom of chapter 1, remember, which is 30 minutes, both multiple choice and true-false questions. Notice here, don't forget about these reflection pieces, the reflection forums that we ask you to do. The peer reflection is the one where you're responding to other people in the class, your colleagues, and the videos and the articles are ones that you're responding to individually. Okay, so you're just going to work through chapter 1. Don't forget that quiz. Work through chapter 7. Here are the focus topics to start with, the PowerPoint to get you started, the response forum. We have a video here, the video forum, and then the quiz. Okay? And same with chapter 12. We've got the topics we want you to focus on, the PowerPoint, the peer reflection for this. And so we're having you focus on constructivism. Constructivism is a pretty important topic in this class, and it's something I really want to make sure that you understand by the end of this class. So make sure when you're working through chapter 12 that you're focusing on constructivism and really starting to understand what we mean by the term constructivism. We've got the video here for you to focus on, the video forum, so that's responding to the video, and then the quiz for chapter 12. Okay, so give yourself some time. You don't need to do chapters 1, 7, and 12 all at once. You don't need to watch the videos all at once. But again, as you're working through each chapter, make sure that you're staying focused on those focus topics, that you're going in order so that you don't miss any of the requirements, and that you do move through things by Sunday night. So the major assignment this week is this writing assignment that we have for you. It's 2 to 3 pages, and it's partly your autobiography, so you're you writing about your own educational journey thus far, and then partly you writing about your educational philosophy. So what's important about education to you? What's your philosophy about education? Now, if you click on this link, and I'm not going to do it yet because I don't have it live just yet, you'll see some more information about that autobiography and philosophy statement. But I just want to scroll you to the top for a minute because we do have that information available in 2 other places. So here in assignments, you'll see the same information. That's where we tell you exactly what's required in that assignment. But if you also go to resources, and I am going to click on this for you, and you go to Professor's Resources, and then the Academic Autobiography / Teaching Philosophy Resources. Go to that tab, and you'll find some more pieces of information about what's expected of you in this writing assignment. There's the rubric here, so you know how you're going to be graded. There's also some examples of a philosophy statement and some prompts to get you started with writing your philosophy statement in particular. So make sure you come here. You're able to look through some of the requirements and supplemental pieces of information so that you have a better sense for what's expected of you this week as far as the writing assignment goes. Feel free to reach out to me. Remember, do that early and often. I prefer doing that you reach out to me through the messages tab here on the left. But if it's a true emergency and you need me right away, you can always reach out through email or through a phone call to my office. Okay, so please get in touch if you need anything. I hope you're doing well. Give yourself plenty of time to work through this week's assignments and content. And I look forward to reading your posts, your reflections, your writing assignment, and seeing you soon. Okay, have a good one. Bye.